Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh, my top is so rumpled. Right, I'm going to be going straight to the point today. You're welcome to my channel, and are you new to my channel? Would you kindly subscribe? Sometimes affordability is what you're thinking of. You're probably in that month of the year, or in that day of the year, of the month, where you're thinking, oh, I can't afford that human hair, or I want to have a break from human hair or from wigs, and I just want to make a simple crochet. Then this video is for you, because I'm going to be showing you some bits, some bobs, some hints, some tips to help you look and slay like a queen that you are. Stay tuned, guys. Firstly, I've cornrowed my hair, so I did this 2 days ago. So what I've done is I've portioned this hair into 3. So this is section 1, this is section 2, and this is section 3. So how you decide to cornrow your hair, it's entirely up to you. So there is no formula, say an almighty formula as to how to go about it. You can choose any method you want, but I have chosen this method only because I want a side bang, and you're going to be seeing how I'm going to be achieving that very soon. So just so you know, it's a crochet we're doing, but the crochet is going to look so bang, going to look so ooh, and you'll be like, is that really a crochet? Freetress braid, and it's in color 4. So I chose color 4 because I want something that looks more dark brownish. So and that's why they've got it in different colors, color 1, 1B, 2, 4, and all I like doing now is I'm just picking a bit, and when you take it out, you want to take it out to the end. I'll show you what I mean. That's it. So, and you can see, just use your hand to do this. I'll drop this one so you can see what I mean. Just try to roll it back in. And that's pretty much it. And that's it. So let's move on. So I'm going to be picking one of these. I'll pick this line and I'll go this way. So you put your crochet needle in, and then you make your hair this way. Put your finger through that way. Then you will pass the air into the crochet needle, as you can see me do, and clip it in. There is a clip, like a close-up clip. Just clip it in, pass it through your own hair, and drag it out, and then that's what you'd achieve. So you holding it that way, pass it to the left hand, then yes, that way, then give it a twist twice, then pass it again to the other hand, give it a twist again, then pass it, I think, for the last time if you want, or you could go one more time if you want. That's how you can best achieve a very knotty finish, and that way you're going to ensure that it doesn't unravel after some hours. So I'm just doing it again for you to see. You pass the hair through to the hook, so close the latch, and then the crochet hair goes through your own hair, then you hold that way and pretty much repeat the same process. And that's all it's all about. It's quite straightforward. I think you'll get used to it. Just watch my hand. this point I had used 2.5 of the pack. I remember I said I got 5 packs, and this is what I had achieved at that point. So I like the fullness, I like the length, it feels nice. I was just feeling myself right there. So next I will be showing you my cornrow again real quick. So to the right is where I will be having my side bang, a shortish side bang, and to the left I'll have the remaining part. So what is left of the hair is that one from the third pack and a 4th pack. So I plan to use just 4 now. So what I did was I cut them into 2. So that's 1.5 I've cut into 2, and I pretty much just worked my way in, just like we've explained before. And that was pretty much it. So please stay tuned. Thanks for waiting. I really hope you've learned one thing or the other. Please try to remember to subscribe, and thank you. Right, beautiful. So we're pretty much ending this video now. So I just went on, and at some point I will show you what is left of the 4 packs, but I didn't plan to open the next pack, which is the 5th one. So I just had to improvise. I picked one from the back and I cut it into 2 and brought it to the front, and that's pretty much everything at the end of the day. Thanks so much again for tuning in.